February 10th marks the International Day of the Arabian Leopard, proclaimed by the United Nations General Assembly through Resolution 77.295. This day is dedicated to raising global awareness about one of the world's most endangered big cats, the Arabian leopard. The Arabian leopard, scientifically known as Panthera pardus nimr, is the smallest leopard subspecies. Adult males typically weigh between 30 to 40 kilograms, while females weigh slightly less. Its pale, buff-colored fur and tightly spaced rosettes help it blend into the rugged mountain landscapes of the Arabian Peninsula. Classified as critically endangered on the IUCN Red List, fewer than 200 Arabian leopards are believed to remain in the wild. Their rapid decline signals a serious biodiversity crisis, as the loss of a top predator disrupts entire ecosystems. The species faces severe threats, including urban expansion, agriculture, overgrazing, poaching, and illegal wildlife trade. Today, Arabian leopards survive only in small, isolated areas of Saudi Arabia, Oman, Yemen, and the United Arab Emirates. The UN resolution calls for stronger conservation actions by governments, NGOs, local communities, and UN agencies. Efforts include habitat protection, restoring natural prey, reducing human-wildlife conflict, and enforcing wildlife protection laws. By observing this day, we are reminded that protecting the Arabian leopard means protecting ecosystems and our planet's future. Learn how you can help restore Earth during the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration.